So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is side business ideas to start now. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. So let's get started. Once you are set up to find new income opportunities with steady, you will be ready to start your side business. There are plenty of small business opportunities that you can get started on today. Number one is become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are the professionals who provide remote administrative assistance to busy professionals, entrepreneurs, and small business. We as typically scheduled appointments, handle phone calls, do research and data entry, answer emails, manage social media accounts, and much more. Number two is invest in real estate. Many people are nervous at the thought of investing in real estate and becoming a landlord. This should not be the case because real estate can be very profitable side business. Number three is becoming a swing trader. Swing trader is an active trading strategy that produces profit by leveraging the temporary price swing in equities market. Swing traders like mind trader. Swing trader is an active trading strategy that produces profit for leveraging temporary price swings in equities markets. Swing trader like mindful trader use technical indicators to spot securities with near-term upside potential and place to stop loss order to limit losses from traders and don't pan out. They typically unwind successful traders after hitting a predetermined profit target or position closing date. Become a tutor. Tutor is only one great way to earn some money on the side, but it is also a very satisfying job. Students of all ages need tutor for math, science, reading, foreign languages, and other subjects. If you are skilled in a certain area, you can use your knowledge to help others succeed. To get started, tutoring put up flyers at local schools and libraries, as well as soon as Craigslist. You might also want to sign up with Vision to become an online tutor. Number five is drive over Uber or Lyft. Becoming a part-time ride-share driver with Uber or Lyft has quickly become a popular side business, especially in bigger cities where rides are in high demand. Drivers are required to have a valid driver's license, proof of insurance, at least 1 year of driving experience. Number six is become a delivery driver. Another business opportunity for anyone who loves driving around town is to become a delivery driver. Companies like Uber Eats and DoorDash are always looking for qualified drivers that can deliver food for home restaurants. Start a blog. If you love to write and you don't mind working hard, blogging might be a great business idea for you. One of the benefits of starting a blog is that there are so many different ways to earn passive income. Number eight is rent your RV. If you own an RV, there is a good chance its sites unused from months out of there with outdoorsy or RV share. You can rent your RV to people in your area who are looking for a more comfortable company experience. You set your own nightly rates, but it's best to scope out other rentals in your area and price accordingly. Walk dogs or pet sit. Starting a neighborhood dog walking or a pet sitting business is an expensive way to earn extra money. Become a child life coach. Adults have life coaches, exclusive executive coaches, and fitness coaches, to name a few. Children can have their own coach as well. A child life coach helps children develop important life skills that their parents might not have time for and school don't teach. Parents might also hire a child life coach it, if they don't feel confident that they can help their child develop a certain skills. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. So take care, goodbye.